How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Something pretty nuts just happened. We have the future president of the US just launching a $25 billion meme coin, and it exploded. Some people made tens of millions of dollars. And I want to go through this, talk about whether this is real, first of all, what this means, whether this is draining liquidity from other cryptos, because I do see people saying that maybe that's why we're dipping, and everything to do with what's going on right now. If you don't mind, hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification underneath the video so you can see future videos just like this. Also, if you want to trade crypto, there's a link underneath the video to BTCC, to Blofin, to WEEX, and to CoinW as well. They all have different trading bonuses and sign-up bonuses, so if you want to check those out, there are links underneath. Of course, make sure that you know what you're doing. If you don't want to leverage trade, there is a link to our Patreon as well underneath the video where we're giving exclusive videos. We'll probably make about 2 or 3 a week, but right now we've done more than that the first week. And the Bitcoin baby's here, not sleeping too much tonight. So I woke up, and what did I notice? Well, I noticed that there's a new meme coin on the block, a meme coin that everyone seems to be talking right now, Official Trump. This is Trump's new meme coin, and it went up to a valuation, last time I checked, of $25 billion, fully diluted. $5 billion right now, which is pretty unprecedented. This is the fastest I think I've ever seen any crypto get up to $5 billion, and definitely the fastest I've seen a meme coin get up to $5 billion. It's now, I'd have to check, but I'd say probably one of the top 20, top 30 cryptocurrencies. So is this even real? Some people are wondering, like, there's no word about this ahead of time, and now people are saying that this is the official Trump meme coin. Yes, it does seem to be real. We have posts on Truth Social. We have posts on X about it. And a large majority is held by insiders. We did have the LLC fight get claimed, I think it was 10 days ago, it get started. So it does seem legitimate as far as we know. And the timing is pretty interesting as well. This is happening right at the same time as the crypto ball, which David Sachs threw for Donald Trump and for some insiders. I haven't heard too much about that yet. Part of that is I just woke up, honestly, and I'm guessing it went pretty late. We'll have to see what comes out about the crypto ball, what was happening there. But this was released right around the crypto ball. So if this is all really happening, it's not some elaborate scheme and hack on probably one of the most well-guarded Twitter accounts out there and Truth Social accounts, this means that the incoming president, who's coming in 48 hours, just dropped a $25 billion meme coin. This is bigger than every other NFT said he did, every other trading card, Liberty Fi, the DeFi project that he has. This thing blew up. What does this tell you? Well, there's a lot of risk appetite right now in crypto. Also, this was based on Solana, and this was tradable on Solana. Sorry. Solana is pumping right now because of this. It's up 12% while the rest of the market's down a little bit. I see some people saying, oh, like, is this what's causing the market to fall down a little bit? Bitcoin's at 103. No. Solana moved up 12%, which is a nice jump in market cap. And we have the Trump meme coin going up to $5 billion in circulating supply, 25 billion fully diluted. This isn't causing Bitcoin to fall down 2 or 3%. This isn't causing Ethereum to fall down the same. That would be far too much money coming out of these other cryptos, which are much larger. Just Bitcoin alone fell $40 billion in market cap, maybe even more than that. So no, it's not that. Most likely, it's just people taking a little bit of profit ahead of Trump's inauguration day, just in case there isn't a strategic reserve. We pumped up really hard the last few days, so it's completely normal to see a little bit of a retrace. And the fact is we did have some resistance on Bitcoin at 103,000. So seeing it go back down to about that level, hopefully flipping it into support, I think is bullish. Same thing with like XRP. It's moved a lot recently, falling down just a little bit. Completely normal. Solana, just like we've said on the channel, I thought it hadn't moved in a while everything else has looked pretty bullish. So I've been saying, hey, I would not sell out Solana just because it's moving slowly. I think if anything, now is the time to be adding to it because I think it will make a big move soon. And what do you know? It's within spitting distance of all-time highs. I think just about maybe 8% away, something like that. So yeah, the market looks really healthy. This low pullback doesn't matter. The fact is we have a president that is coming in, launching meme coins, launching NFTs, launching DeFi projects, launching ordinals. Yeah, I think things are about to get even crazier from here. Right? There might be a little bit of a cool-off period if there isn't stuff announced right away. And there might be a cool-off period anyways, depending on what's announced and how big it will be. There might be, you know, a little bit of a sell the news event. I think you always have to be ready for that when something is so expected. I mean, even the ETFs, which were game changing, after the ETFs were announced and we had that initial pump the next day, we fell 20%. So yeah, just be ready for anything. But I think that this is a really big week. I think overall, if I had to bet whether crypto is going to go up or down over the next month, I'd say up. Of course, short term is very difficult. You have to look at TA for that and look at flows, obviously, which we don't know the flows right now. I don't have a chart in front of me either, but I'd expect us to look pretty bullish here. But let me know your thoughts. Of course, do your own due diligence. Again, just how crazy is it that the most important politician in the U.S. Is launching cryptos left and right. Like, things have definitely changed from a couple of years ago when they were deplatforming, debanking all these crypto investors. And yeah, I think this is for the better. Right? This changes for the better. Of course, some people won't like this. Some people will say that there's way too much money in the system. The Fed has to raise rates if this is the case. But yeah, there's just a lot of excitement in crypto, and there are a lot of risk takers. So yeah, meme coins like this, I can see doing quite well. I'm not buying the meme coin, by the way. It's at about $5 billion market cap now, 25 billion, fully diluted. I didn't know that it was launching. I don't think anyone really did. But yeah, seeing it this large, I think there's less room for upside. I'm not saying it can't do well. Sure, it could probably get up to $150 billion market cap, fully diluted this bull market. Dogecoin did, 75 billion or 100 billion last cycle. So it could probably do something like that during the peak of the market. But for the risk, right, I'm not sure it's worth it at this point for a 4X. I could also see it pull back 80% or something like that if Trump doesn't talk about it very much. So this might be one that you just kind of sit on. Maybe if we get a bear market or a big downturn or something, maybe it corrects pretty hard. Bless you. Maybe it corrects pretty hard. And that might be a good time to dollar cost average. But of course, like I don't know what's going to happen. So make your own decision. That's just kind of my thought on it. Of course, if you want to trade cryptos, there are those links underneath the video to BTCC, Blofin, CoinW, and WEEX. I like trading on multiple platforms, so definitely check that out and check out the Patreon. Thank you so much. I'll see you all in the next one. Let me know if you're buying the token. It's launching on more exchanges as well, so be on the lookout for it. I'm sure that it'll get easier and easier to buy here soon. Thanks. Bye.